everyone! Have you ever thought of what's inside the eye? I'm Erica Lanto from OD2A and let's explore the internal and external anatomy of the cow eye. What does it look like and how does it function? To start off, you need to trim the fat from around the eye using your scissor. At that point, you can locate the extraocular muscles, which are the superior oblique, superior rectus, medial rectus, lateral rectus, inferior rectus, and lastly, the inferior oblique. Once you remove most of the fat, continue cutting along the muscle attachment that connects the eye to the surrounding tissues. Be careful not to cut the optic nerve on the back of the eye. Make sure that it will look like this, and from there you can see the stuffed white outer layer of the eyeball, which is the sclera. It's the protective covering of the eye, maintains the shape of the eyeball, and provides insertion for extraocular muscle. This thick region, on the other hand, is what we call the optic nerve, which is like a highway that connects and transmits visual information from your eye to the brain. Next is this clear front layer of the eye, which is the cornea, where light first passes through and comes to focus onto the retina. Using scissor or scalpel, carefully do a coronal cut to separate the front and the back of the eye. Now, we can see the internal anatomy. The black pigmented fluid that oozes out is the aqueous humor. It keeps your eye inflated and provides nourishment. Next, the gel-like substance called the vitreous fluid or the vitreous humor is a structure that surrounds the lens so that light can pass through it. Now, where's the crystalline lens? You can see it here in the middle of vitreous humor that looks like a gumball-shaped thing. It is responsible for focusing light onto the retina by changing its shape. Now, anterior to the lens is the iris, which give eye its color, and it has muscles that controls the amount of light that enters the eye by adjusting the size of the pupil. The pupil is a small black opening that lets light into the eye. Moving on, we can see the slimy part of the eye, which is the retina. This is actually a lining at the back of the eye that starts the translation of light into vision. The blind spot, which is the optic disc, is where the retina connects to the optic nerve. It is the point of exit for ganglion cell leaving the eye. Beneath the retina is this black layer called the choroid. It has a lot of blood vessels in it and it serves to provide oxygen and nourishment to the eye. Next part is this metallic-looking structure here called the tapetum lucidum. This layer assists the night vision by reflecting light back through the retina, which enables animals to see in dimmer lights. That's it for the bovine's eye dissection. Thank you for watching. Bye!